Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is second class of linear inequalities. In first class of linear inequalities, we learn about intervals. What is meant by closed interval a comma b? What is meant by open interval a comma b? What is the meaning of the interval closed a open b? And the main rules of linear inequalities. This is second class. In this class, we are going to learn wavy curve method. In this wavy curve method, 2 to 3 types are there. In today's class, we are going to learn about type 1. See here, I'll write this is wavy curve method type 1. This is type 1. Okay. How to identify it is type 1? You observe this given inequalities. You see, this is inequality. Why? Because inequality sign greater than is there. This is inequality. What is this type 1 means? First point, the inequality, this is the inequality. It must contains linear factors. Look here, x minus a, x minus b. Plus is also okay. Suppose if plus is there here, x plus a into x minus b greater than 0, that is also okay. And x coefficient must be 1. Look here, in case x coefficient is not 1, we'll make it 1. That also will come one by one. Problems will come one after another, right? If the problem is like this, right, we need to solve this inequality. That means what are the x values satisfying this inequality? How to solve this? By wavy curve method, that we are going to learn. If the inequality is like this, see here, greater than is there. Not only greater than or equal to is also okay. We'll discuss all those things. Here you see, less than 0 is there. Not only less than or equal to also okay. This can be extended. For example, here product of 3 functions is there. X minus a into x minus b into x minus c. If they ask solve x values which satisfies this inequality, then we can use wavy curve method. Here less than or equal to is there, strictly less than is there, then also procedure is same. Okay, so first type is what? If given linear inequalities of this type, then how we solve? With the help of wavy curve method. Right, we'll move to problems. You observe this question. See what they are asking. Solve. You need to solve this inequality. You observe what is this inequality? X plus 3 into x minus 7 greater than 0. Solving inequality is nothing but finding the x values which satisfies this inequality. Finding the x values which satisfies this inequality. Okay, so first we will solve this. First point, what you identified here, linear factors are there. Okay, and x coefficient is 1 or not. Yes, this is a linear factor whose x coefficient is 1. Here 1 is there. This is also linear factor whose x coefficient is 1. Okay, now in step 1 what we will do, you see here, right here, what is the given inequality? X plus 3 into x minus 7 greater than 0. We are trying to solve this inequality. In step 1 what we will do, we will equate this to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. Then what is x? X is minus 2. Okay, so equate x plus 3 equal to 0. From that you will get x equal to minus 3. Okay, now second one is then x minus 7 equal to 0. Equate that to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. You will get x equal to 7. Right, so I equated these linear factors to 0. I got x values like this. X equal to minus 3, x equal to 7. Now you mark this minus 3 and 7 on the number line. You mark this minus 3 and 7 on the number line as per number line order. You just take a number line like this. Minus 3 it will be like this, and somewhere 7 you will get here. You mark these minus 3, 7 on the number line. Now wavy curve method says that in the rightmost corner, you see, rightmost corner, in this part, rightmost corner, you write plus. Write plus, and then you write the alternate symbols, minus, plus. You write like this. This is wavy curve method says. Now you see here what they are asking. this inequality holds good for what x values? Here greater than 0 is there. Greater than 0 means all numbers are positive. See, on a number line, 0 is there here. Greater than 0 means whatever numbers you will take greater than 0, they are all positive. Yes. So here, wherever the positive sign is there, you observe this part, this is the positive sign is there. In this part, you take any number. That means, suppose here 8 is there. If you take 8 100% satisfies this inequality. If you want, you can check. See, 8 plus 3. Here I am taking 8. I am saying that 8 satisfies this inequality. 8 plus 3, positive or negative? That much only we need. 8 plus 3 is positive. Okay. Now 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is positive or negative? Positive. Right? Positive into positive is what? Positive. I hope you are understanding. When I substitute x equal to 8 in this, what number you will get? That is 100% greater than 0. Not only that, you take any number here in this part. What numbers are there here? Minus 4, minus 5, like that. You take any number in this area. If you substitute that number in this inequality, it must and should satisfy. For example, here minus 4 is there. Substitute minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3. Substitute here minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, that is negative, into. Substitute here in place of x you write minus 4. Minus 4 minus 7, that is negative. Negative into negative is what? Positive. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. So whatever x values you take in this zone as well as in this zone, this inequality will be greater than 0. Right? So what is the solution of this inequality? I can write like this. X belongs to, see here I'll just highlight this area. See this part. Because why this part only? Because here greater than 0 is there. Greater than 0 means we need to look for positive sign. Okay. Here write like this. First I'll write this zone. Right? What is this? Minus infinity to. For infinity always open bracket. Right? Here minus infinity to minus 3 na? Minus 3. Here it is closed bracket or open bracket. This is the question mark now. Here what we need to write? Closed bracket or open bracket. Here strictly greater than is there. Na? When strictly greater than is there, you will write open bracket. Suppose same question they given like this, greater than or equal to. In that case we will write closed bracket. In this question strictly greater than is there. Na? So you write open interval minus 3. Here greater than 0 means positive sign. Na? Positive sign means what this? See what you will get here. This is union. Union means plus. Plus, right? In sets chapter you will learn this. Okay. 7 to infinity. Right? So whatever x value you take in this interval, if we substitute in this inequality, it satisfies. So this is the solution of this inequality. Okay. Suppose same question they given like this. Same question they given like this. They given like this. X plus 3 into x minus 7 less than 0. Same question. What is the difference here? Greater than is there. Here less than is there. In that case also what we will do? First, you observe this. These are linear factors. X minus a into x minus b form. Right? X minus a into x minus b form. Yes or no? Yes. So what I will do? I will equate this to 0. What you will get? You will get x equal to minus 3. Next, I will equate this to 0. I will get x equal to 7. I will mark them on the number line. You see here as per this order. Right? Now less than 0 is there. Here you observe here less than 0. Less than 0 means you need to look for negative sign. You need to look for negative sign. You see a negative sign here. That means if you take any x value in this interval, here this is strictly less than is there again. That means minus 3, 7 we won't consider. You take any number in this interval, this red color part is there. You take any x value in this interval and substitute in this, 100% it satisfies. For example, in between minus 3 and 7, 0 is there. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. 3 into minus 7 is negative. Satisfying. I hope you are understanding. Suppose if the question is like this, then what is its solution? Its solution for this inequality is open interval minus 3 to 7. Here they given strictly less than. That's why this is open interval. For the same question, if they given less than or equal to, then we will write closed interval minus 3 comma closed 7. Closed 7. Right? Okay. So successfully we completed first problem. I hope you understand this. Right? We will move to next question. You observe this question. What is there here? 2 minus x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0 is there. Here one problem is there. See here, this is not like x minus a form. This is like a minus x. But this can be written in the form of a minus a. We can write in the form of x minus a just by taking minus common. Okay. So what I will do here, I need to solve this inequality. First point what I observed here, if you observe this is not in the form of x minus a, but however we can write. Okay, see here, first I'll write the given inequality. 2 minus x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. This is the given inequality. I want to solve this inequality. As here x minus a is not there, I want to write this in the form of x minus a or x plus a. What I'll do, I'll take minus common. See, you know that 2 minus x can be written as minus of x minus 2. Minus, if we take common, 2 minus x can be written like this. Okay. So here minus of x minus 2 into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Now this is the inequality. You observe here minus sign is there now. What I will do, this complete inequality I will multiply with minus 1 on both sides. This complete inequality I will multiply with minus 1 on both sides. In the rules of linear inequalities, in last class you learned that for an inequality, if we multiply with a negative real number, the sign of inequality changes. Here greater than or equal to is there now. If we multiply with negative real number, this greater than or equal to changes to less than or equal to. So what you will get here, this will become x minus 2. I am multiplying with minus. When I multiply with minus, minus will become plus. X minus 2 into x minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. What happened here? This greater than or equal to change it to less than. Why? This inequality, both sides I multiplied with minus. When I multiply with minus, minus will become plus. Here minus 1 into 0 is 0 only. I hope you understand. In rules of inequality, we learned that for an inequality, if you multiply with a negative real number, the sign of inequality changes. That's why greater than or equal to changes to less than or equal to. Now if you observe this came into that our regular form, x minus a into x minus b form is there, that form we got. Now what we'll do, we'll equate this to 0. You will get x equal to 2. Next we'll equate this to 0. We'll get x equal to 5. So 2, 5 we'll mark on the number line. Mark on the number line. See here, this is 2. This is 5 as per number line order. Wavy curve method says that in the rightmost corner you keep plus and then alternate symbols. Okay. Now actually we are solving this actually, right? Here what sign is there? Less than 0. Less than 0 means we need to look for positive sign or negative sign. Less than 0 means we need to look for negative sign. That means where is the negative sign? Here is the negative sign. So when you take any x value in this interval, 100% this inequality holds good, right? What I'll do here, what is the interval x belongs to? You see here less than or equal to is there. When less than or equal to given, then all these things also will consider. Like what we'll write? We'll write it as x belongs to closed interval 2, 5. You take any number in this interval. For example, in this interval 3 is there now. That 3 you substitute in this question. That 3 substitute in this question. It 100% satisfies. 3 you substitute 3 minus x. 2 minus. I'll write here 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 5. What problem is that? Okay. Substitute 3 in this. What you will get? 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 5. This is negative. 3 minus 5 is also negative. Negative into negative positive. See here greater than or equal to 0 is there. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. You take any number in this interval. That is the solution of this inequality. It means if I substitute any number from this interval in this inequality, it 100% satisfies. So that's why for this linear inequality, solution is closed interval 2, 5. I hope you are understanding. Now we'll move to next problem. You observe this question. Here actually product of 3 linear factors are there. Actually x can be written as x minus 0, right? Let's solve this solution for this. Okay. This x is there, that can be written as x minus 0, right? X minus 2, x plus 3. Now we need to find what are the x values satisfies this inequality. These are already in x minus a, this is x plus b form. It is okay, right? This is in correct form only. You equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 0. You equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 2. You equate this to 0, you will get x equal to minus 3. Okay, what I'll do, I'll mark these things on the number line. Okay, first one is what? 0. 0 I'll get here somewhere. X equal to 2. X equal to 2. X equal to 2 you will get here. Minus 3. X equal to minus 3. As per number line order only you need to mark. 0 to minus 3 are getting marked like this. Now in the rightmost corner, wavy curve method says that rightmost corner you keep plus and then alternate symbols. Now what I want greater than 0. Greater than 0 means you need to look for positive sign or negative sign. You need to look for positive sign. Where is this positive sign? See, in this interval, right? So if I take any number in this intervals, 100%, if you take any number in this interval, 100% those numbers satisfies this inequality. So how you will write the solution? X belongs to, you observe here, greater than or equal to is there. When greater than or equal to is there, these numbers also we will consider, right? So so what you will get? Closed interval minus 3 to 0 union closed interval 2 to infinity. Why closed interval? Because this is greater than or equal to is there here. So if you take any number in this interval, if you substitute in this inequality, it satisfies. That's why this is solution of this inequality. I hope you are understanding. You see this question, x into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 6. We need to solve this inequality. Here one problem is there. You see, actually whatever I written here, if the here see greater than 0, less than or equal to 0, right hand side part 0 is there, you observe, right? But in this question what happened? In this question you see here greater than or equal to 6 is there, right? Then how to solve this? Okay, basic thing is we can convert this in the form of x minus a into x minus b, or x plus a into x plus b, or x minus a into x plus b. Like this we can convert. Okay, so what I'll do here was simplify. See, first you take the given question. What is the given question? X into x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, left hand side part you multiply what you will get? X square minus 5x is greater than 6. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take this 6 is there, I'll take 6 to the left hand side part. Actually we cannot take like this, we are subtracting 6 on both sides. For an inequality, if we add or subtract any real number, the sign of inequality remains same, you know that. Okay, so what this will become? X square minus 5x minus 6 here greater than or equal to is there, is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now you see this is a quadratic expression, right? We can split the middle term, right? See here, x square minus 5x minus 6 is there. You split the middle term. Minus 5x can be written as minus 6x plus x minus 6, right? This can be written as x minus 6 into x plus 1. Okay, so here x square minus 5x minus 6 is there. That can be written as x minus 6 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now you see we got that general form like x minus a into x minus b. From this you can do this very easily, right? Yes, how you will simplify further? See, equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 6. Equate this to 0, you will get x equal to minus 1. Mark them on the number line. One is minus 1. Okay, another one is 6. In the rightmost corner you write plus and then alternate symbols. Here what sign is there? Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means you need to look for positive sign, correct? Okay, that means which part? You observe here positive sign, here this zone. Here greater than or equal to is there. Greater than or equal to is there. That means these points are also included. How you will write this answer? We will write like this. X belongs to, for infinity always open bracket, right? As greater than or equal to is there. That's why closed interval minus 1 union closed interval 6 to infinity. If you take any number in this interval, if we substitute in this, it 100% satisfies, right? I hope you understand this first type in this wavy curve method. In second type, what we will learn here, suppose same thing is there. If x 2 minus x whole square is there, or else in this form, here x minus 2 whole square is there, here x plus 2 whole cube is there. In that case, how you will solve these linear inequalities, that you will learn in next class. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like, share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.